Night falls heavy on a lonesome track. Two bags dropped, ain't no turning back. Room 9 smell of smoke and time. Your boots parked under my bed like a sign. We don't talk about the road ahead. Silent truths in what ain't said. Railroad, hotel room 9, where the shadows blur the line. Two men walking the same thin line in Railroad Road, hotel room 9. Whiskey bottles and a Bible near. Your laughter hides what we both fear. The bed creaks slow, the air feels tight. One small lamp burning through the night. The ceiling whispers, the floorboards moan. A secret space where we're alone. Railroad, hotel room 9, where the heart beats out of time. Two souls tangles in a hidden shrine. In Railroad, hotel room 9. Lord, forgive what the night has done. Sun's gonna rise and we'll both run. Can't take back the lines we crossed, but in this room the world got lost. Railroad, hotel room 9, where the shadows blur the line.